What is the single responsibility principle?
The Single Responsibility Principle, or SRP, is a key rule in software design. It states that each module or class should have only one reason to change, meaning it should focus on a single task or responsibility. This principle helps developers avoid tangled code and makes programs easier to understand and maintain.
Why does SRP matter?
Following SRP makes software maintenance easier. When each component has a single job, fixing bugs or adding features becomes less risky. Changes made to one responsibility are less likely to accidentally affect others, leading to fewer errors and smoother updates as your codebase grows.
Spotting multiple responsibilities.
Warning signs of violating SRP include classes or functions that seem to do too much. If you notice a module handling unrelated tasks, processing data, and managing user interface all at once, it's probably time to refactor. Keeping responsibilities focused allows each part of your code to shine.
Applying SRP in practice.
Start by separating different concerns into distinct classes or functions. For example, don't mix data validation, business logic, and formatting in the same method. By organizing code around unique responsibilities, you make it easier for others to read, test, and modify your work.
The benefits of clean code.
SRP is a foundation of clean, reliable software. When every module has a clear job, teams can add features faster, catch bugs earlier, and confidently evolve their applications. Adopting the single responsibility principle is a simple step that pays off for every developer.